If you're experiencing crashing issues with The Sims 4, there are several steps you can take to troubleshoot and potentially resolve the problem. Follow these steps to help unlock the crashing issue. Step 1. Check system requirements. Ensure that your computer meets the minimum system requirements for The Sims 4. If your hardware is below the recommended specifications, it may cause the game to crash. Step 2. Update the game. Make sure that The Sims 4 is updated to the latest version. Open the game launcher and check for any available updates. Installing the latest patches can fix bugs that may lead to crashes. Step 3. Repair the game. Use the game launcher to repair The Sims 4. Right-click on the game in your library and select the repair option. This process will fix any corrupted files that could be causing the crashes. Step 4. Remove mods and custom content. If you have mods or custom content installed, try removing them temporarily. Some mods may not be compatible with the latest game updates and can lead to instability. Move them to a separate folder and see if the game runs smoothly without them. Step 5. Adjust graphics settings. Lower the graphics settings in the game to see if that resolves the crashing issue. Go to the game options, select graphics, and reduce the settings. This can help if your system is struggling to handle the game's demands. By following these steps, you should be able to troubleshoot and potentially resolve the crashing issues in The Sims 4. If problems persist, consider reaching out to the game's support team for further assistance.